1 jalapeno pepper, and 4 or 5 green onions, 1 tomato, cilantro, and about half a teaspoon lemon, and salt to taste. And we have 2 avocado. I'm gonna cut in half.
And it looks nice.
Yeah, look like this. I'm gonna just
Peel it.
yeah, it's gonna be hard to beat for you. There you go. Do that. Let me clean this up, and you can mix it, both of you. So you can add the onions now. Add all the onions. Just put in here. Yeah, take it. Put it in here. No problem. And I will put the peppers in here. I don't think these are spicy peppers. We wanted it spicy, but I don't think they are. And I put the coriander inside.
And the tomatoes.
And the tomatoes. And I will put the lemon inside. Just like that. And salt to taste. I put a quarter. I think I will put a quarter more. You don't want too salty. Now I will mix it. Yay! This is our snack, afternoon snack.
That we ate on dinner, I think.
No, snack before dinner. Lunches we already had, right?
Yeah.
So this is a snack after lunch.
Yeah.
So there you go. This is done. That's how it looks like it. And you want to taste a little bit? How the salt and pepper good?
Yeah.
Is jalapeno spicy? No, I didn't think so. Alright. So you guys taste it. Guacamole and chips. See how you like it. This is the jalapeno pepper. You want to try the other one? You can try the other one. You don't want a pepper, right? Even though they're not hot. You just said they're not spicy. Yeah. So if you like my recipe, please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.